Hello everyone, today we are comparing two popular smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two phones come with an IP68 rating. Display features. Galaxy S25 Edge comes with 6.7 inches LTPO AMOLED 2x display, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with 6.9 inches Dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x display. Let's move to the hardware features. Both devices are powered by the Snapdragon chipset and have the same hardware features. Next, compare the camera features. Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with 4 rear cameras, and the Galaxy S25 Edge comes with 2 rear cameras. Battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. Both phones include 5G connectivity through the speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.